Hey guys, in this video I want to share with you a few tips on how to get better posing in your characters. So the biggest thing I'm going to be focusing on today for posing your character is the silhouette. So for my first example, I'm going to draw a character that has what I would consider a poor silhouette. So I would consider this a bad example of a silhouette for a pose. And the reason is, if I filled in this shape without all these details, you wouldn't be able to tell what was going on. So as you can see, you can't tell what's going on with this pose. Let's do an example of a better silhouette. So I would say this character has a really good silhouette. So I believe if we shaded this character in, it would still be interesting to look at, even without all of the details. So as you can see, this character is completely shaded in, so all you can see is the silhouette, and I feel like it's still an interesting shape. None of the arms are interacting with the body, so you can tell what's going on, and I feel like there's some energy to the motion. So another thing to keep in mind when you're thinking about posing your character is trying not to make everything symmetrical. As you can see, this arm is up higher than this arm. This one is outstretched a little bit more, and this one's bent in a little bit more. And then this leg is outstretched, and this one is bent in. That creates a little bit more visual interest. I'll give an example of a pose that has a good silhouette, but maybe is a little bit less interesting and more symmetrical. So while this pose is interesting, the arms are going out away from the body, and the legs are going out and not interacting with any other shapes, I feel that this pose is less interesting than this pose. So let's shade this in and see just the pose without any of the details. So while this pose would be completely acceptable, and is definitely better than the first one we did, I feel like this second option is clearly the strongest pose out of the three. Let me know in the comments below what you think.